Here I've got Apple iPhone SE, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you have two methods. The first one is to open your phone dialer and enter a secret code which will allow you to check IMEI number of your device. So let me enter *#06#. And that's it. As you can see now, you can check device info, and here both IMEI numbers are included. Just click on cancel to go back. And now let us show you the second method. So you have to open the settings at first, then scroll down, find and pick general, and now click on about. And here you will find both serial number right here, and if you'd like to check your IMEI number, your device's IMEI number, you have to go a bit lower, and here you've got it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.